Cabo 3 hits Apple as Parliament suspends sitting until Tuesday. Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, Magaba News, where we give you trending news which is happening in Zimbabwe. If you are new here, kana riri zuva rako rekutanga kusvika pano rekunzwa nhau dzematongero enyika ndiwo mukana wekubaya pakani subscribe. Today we have a new Zimbabwe Parliament adjourns as the Constitutional Amendment Bill debate intensifies. Mura yeZimbabwe nhau yeCap 3 ndiyo nhau iri kunyanya kutaurika munyika yeZimbabwe, apo pari kutaurika kuti Cabo 3 iyi iri kuita kuti igoexposa zvizhinji maererano neutungamiri hwebato reZANU-PF. So last pawakaita meeting yavo musi wa5 June 2026 nezuro vakazivisa kuti vaakumhorisa paside Cabo 3 iyi vozoidzosa zvakare mudariro vochiita a crucial vote muparliament kuti ma-MP achange achisarudza papi. So zvaziviswa kunzi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi iri kubviswa muparliament rozodzoswa zvakare musi wa9 June 2026. So naui mukutaurika kwayo paitika mashoko zvizhinji mushure mekungewo zvichiziviswa navahope veching'ono vachizivisa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi vachiti paCabo 3 iri ma-MPs akawanda emaopposition ari kuonekwa zvakare achirasa support yemacitizen, sezvo macitizen ndiwo avari kumirira vari kuwanikwa vachisapota Cabo 3 iyi zvakare. And also koitawo maZANU-PF members ari muparliament ari kuopposo this bill. So zvikuita kuti pagoite mhesanwa yemashoko yaita kuti vahope veching'ono vanyore mashoko vachiti Zimbabwe Parliament has adjourned until Tuesday when debate on the controversial Cabo 3 will continue. Monday is not a sitting date. The bill said to make a significant change to Zimbabwe's constitution and is expected to remain the focus of parliamentary business when proceeding resume. So far during the debate, not a single ZANU-PF member of parliament has opposed the bill. Sadly, some opposition members of the parliament have spoken in support of it. Parliamentarians are now speculating that the bill could be put to a vote by Thursday or Friday. There is also a concern within ZANU-PF about the senator, where speculations persist that the party's number are not yet full assured. Ndo mashoko ari kutaurika. So vari kutarisira kuti ikurumidza kupushwa. Raitonzi this Friday raifanira kunge ratobvumirwa rapasiswa vapedza, asi veruzhinji vari kuti ndipo patamirira tozoenda kumakoti tichimirira. Ende veruzhinjiwo tikuziva kuti maretired general akasiyana-siyana ari kunyorera tsamba kuhurumende yavo Mnangagwa vachiramba nezvebhiri iri. According to news, the Zimbabwe Parliament has adjourned its sitting until Tuesday with a debate on orderly discussions about Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 set to continue when lawmakers return to the National Assembly. The adjournment comes at a time when the proposed constitutional change remains one of the most closely watched political development in the country. With the Monday not being a sitting day, members of parliament are expected to resume discussions next week as the bill continues dominant parliamentary business. Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 set to introduce significant changes to the Zimbabwe Constitution, and its progress through parliament has attracted strong interest from political parties, civil society groups, and ordinary citizens. As the debate continues, lawmakers are examining the implication of proposed amendment and their political impact on the country's government. So far, discussions in parliament have revealed clear political trends during the ongoing. No ZANU-PF MP has publicly spoken against the bill. Members from the ruling party who have contributed to the debate have generally supported the proposed change and defend the need for the amendment. At the same time, reports from Parliament proceed indicated that some opposition legislators have also expressed support for each aspect of the bill. This has added another layer to the debate as the issue continues to generate differing opinion. Political observers are now now closely watch the parliamentary timetable amid growing speculation that the bill could soon be put to a vote. If that timeline or the coming days could prove divisive for the future of the legislation, parliamentary votes on constitutional amendment are often closely monitored because they require a significant level of support and can have long-term consequences for national governance. Attention is also turned towards the Senator, where the bill is expected to face a further scrutiny after passing through the National Assembly process. Reports suggest there are concerns with ZANU-PF regarding the Senator stage of the legislative process. So ndona wiri kubuda ndo mashoko ari kubuda pachitiko ichi, asi tauya tichikuzivisai maererano nekuparliament kuti kugara pasi vachiita National Assembly yavo vachamhumira zvemusi weMonday vozodzoka zvakare muparliament zvinenge zvemusi weTuesday 2026. Ndidzo nhau dzatauya tikabata chiti munozviona sei varida kumhonyarara vomugara pasi vachidiscuss sezvo vari kuona kuti pamadhezi mashomanana ari adiscusswa muparliament zvamutsa mutauro munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Ndidzo nhau dzatinadzo pano pachannel yenyu yeMagaba News.